Hey guys, welcome to another toy unboxing. Today we have some really cool toys here, including Princess Anna and Queen Elsa from the new Frozen Fever short. We also have some toy surprises and this pretty cool Frozen cash register. First, let's take a look at these dolls. This is the birthday party Anna and birthday party Elsa. Now you get to have Princess Anna and Queen Elsa in complete new outfits, new hairdo, and new makeup. Queen Elsa has a little flower on her hair and her famous braid to the side. Princess Anna has her hair up, a little braid on top, and a little flower in the back. Their dresses are so beautiful, brand new designs. They also have new shoes. Let's compare this new Queen Elsa to the old one. You can see that these dolls are completely different. Different eyelashes, different makeup, of course different hair, and new dress. This new Princess Anna is completely different from the old one. Look at the hair, eyelashes, even the smile is different. Now it's time to open the cash register. Here's the cash register. To make it work, we're gonna need batteries. Batteries compartment is underneath the cash register. Here's the little shopping basket with some customized groceries. Elsa's blueberry cheesecake, frozen jelly candy, strawberry ice cream with Princess Anna, and Sisters Forever raspberry jelly. The little basket looks just like the Shopkins basket. It's even the same size. Let's see what else we have in the box. Here's the Queen of Ice and Snow drink. And right here we have Princess Anna's little drink, Cold Heart. 2 drinks, Star Cracker, one lemon, bananas, and coins. Here's the little credit card. And the gift card. It's actually 3 gift cards. One with Olaf, Princess Anna, and Queen Elsa. Time to add the batteries in the cash register. This little cash register has a working scanner flashing light. Cash box opens when you press the thanks button. You can put away your cash and give change.
Which is better one to buy? Thank you.
And look, you even get a real receipt. Time to scan the toy surprises. To pay for my purchase, I'm gonna use my Frozen credit card.
Thank you.
Now, with everything paid for, we can open them. Let's start with this Frozen blind bag. We just got Olaf. Here's the Frozen Mystery Minis. This is Queen Elsa with her beautiful blue dress. Fashion's Disney Princess. Let's see who we have here. It's Belle. She's super squishy. Now let's open this Kinder Surprise from SpongeBob. Delicious Kinder chocolate. We got Gary. And right here we have a flyer. Now we have one last toy surprise to open, and it's the Frozen Fashions. I hope we get Kristoff, or maybe Sven. And it's Princess Anna. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Frozen and toy surprises.